sa'yo si Mami. Dito ka na lang, baby, ah. Mami, punta na lang po kayo dito para po sa message mo po. Happy birthday, Trisha. Sabi ni Papa mo, tsaka ni Tito Ambil, maging mabait kang bata, tapos maging malusog. Sabi ni Tito Ambil, kumain ka ng marami daw. And then, sabi din ni Lolo Francis mo, ang cute-cute mo daw, and masayang-masaya siya dahil may apo na siya. And then, happy birthday, baby, at mag-aral mabuti at maging mabait, ha? Yan, palakpakan naman natin si Mami. Tapos bukod po dyan, pwede po bang kantaan na lang po natin siya ng happy birthday para naman po sumaya si Krisha. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you po, kamote na po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Krisha May. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my love. I hope you have a good birthday today. And sana ay lagi kang masaya, malayo sa anumang karamdaman. At I wish na lagi kang mabait na bata, lagi kang mag-aral na mabuti, at lagi kang manalangin sa Diyos. At sana'y lagi mong paniwalaan na ang Panginoon lang ang magbibigay sa iyo ng lahat ng kagustuhan mo sa buhay. But you have to have faith in God and pray every time. Okay? And alam kong marami kang handa ngayon, kaya sana marami ka rin present.
I will always remember the day you kissed my lips, light as a feather. And it went just like this. No, it's never been better than the summer of 2002. We were only 11, but acting like grown-ups, like we are in the present. Drinking from plastic cups, singing love is forever and never. Well, I guess that was true. Dancing on the hood in the middle of the woods of an old Mustang, where we sang songs with all our childhood friends. And it went like this, say,